Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change cell color in an Excel file using a Python script. I will be using two libraries for this. First one is Pandas library and second one is Xlwings. I will attach the link for documentation of this library. I have already installed these libraries. If you haven't installed it, pause the video and install it. Import Pandas as PD, then import Xlwings as XW. Create a data frame object first, call it data_frame. In this object that Excel file data will be saved. To read the data use read_Excel method, data frame equals to pd.read_Excel, and give the path of the file. To use this method you have to install OpenPyXL if you haven't installed it. Pause the video and install it. wb equals xw.book, give the path here. Book will open the workbook. This will allow to make changes to the workbook. sht equals wb.sheets, and give the sheet name here within in double quotes. Use the autofit method to auto-resize all columns and rows. wb.sheets.autofit, and give the sheet name. Xlwings has a range method which returns a range object that represents a cell or a range of cells. It takes two type of parameters. First type is name of the range in the upper left corner in A1 notation, or as index tuple, or as name, or as XW range object. It can also specify a range using the range operator, for example A1:B2. Second type is name of the range in the lower right corner in A1 notation, or as index tuple, or as name, or as XW.range object. It can also specify a range using the range operator, a colon, for example A1:B2. Second type is name of the range in the lower right corner in A1 notation, or as index tuple, or as name, or as XW.range object. This will get the cells or cell where we want to change the color. To change the background of the cell, there is a color method, which will do it. This color method gets and sets the background color of the specified range. To set the color, either use an RGB tuple or a color constant. To remove the background, set the color to none. Now the changes needs to be saved. To do that use save method. wb.save and give the path. It will save those changes done in the file. That's it, let's run and test this. That's it, the A1 cell color is changed. Let's try out with other cells or a range of cells. Now try with a different cell or different range of cells. You can try different colors, just give the RGB color code. I will comment out this line. Now I will change color of multiple cells but some specific cells. I will put this range method in a for loop. For cell in range Groisen 1 to the length of data frame index and add 2 more to it, and give an interval of 3 to the range. I will use this range method and color method. xw.range, for the cell value use format, .color equal to the color code 51, 102, 255. That's it. It will do the job. Let's test it out. Run the script. Let's open this Excel sheet. There it is, every third cell of the first column is colored. This is very handy when we have a scenario where we have to automate this kind of stuff. I will show you how to change font of the cells. You can change the font to bold or italic. There is a font method that can be used to change the font. The font object can be accessed as an attribute of the range or shape object. xw.range, a1:g1.font.bold, and set it to true. Let's test this out. This is it, you can see the first row is changed to bold. You can also try italic for this. Let's change the color of first row. xw.range, a1:g1.color equal to RGB color. Try a different color. I will go with this one, 153, 255, 204. Let's see if it works or not. So there it is, the background color of the first row has changed and text is in bold. This is very handy to use in real world scenarios where a lot of data is in the workbook, thousands or tens of thousands of rows. In that case this is very helpful. We don't have to modify cell by cell, put it in a loop with a condition according to the requirement, and Python will take care of it. There are lots of other methods. You can generate plots for the data, methods to change the width and height of columns and rows. Here you can get all about the methods present in this library. Check out this documentation regarding this library. Link is in the description. You can get all sorts of methods for all those features offered by Excel. I think this video is helpful to you guys. If you have made this far, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I would be bringing more helpful stuff like these. Thanks for watching.